What's up, everybody? It's Ahmed with I Really Can Cook. This is episode 5, and today is going to be a real quick one. This is going to be about leftovers. Matter of fact, last week's video, episode 4, I did my epic tacos. Well, this video is the continuation of that, even though I released it a week later just for my YouTube page status, or my YouTube channel status rather. But this is what I do with my leftover chicken. I make epic burritos. This right here, Romero tortillas, medium-sized burrito tortillas. Got my green onions still. Yep, they're fresh from the day before. And my leftover chicken. And if you're wondering why the color of the chicken is this way, I took my epic sauce and I just poured it in the chicken and let it sit there overnight. But now I'm about to cook this back up and get my eat on. So like I said in the intro, this is going to be a really quick video. I'm just going to show you how I do my leftovers, my leftover chicken from my epic tacos the night before. I'm going to make me some epic burritos, and I'm going to microwave them. I'm not going to grill them up. It's more time consuming that way. I just want to get to it because I'm hungry. So I'm going to put my chicken in the microwave for about a minute. Then I'm going to put my tortillas in for about 30 seconds, microwave those up. And then normally I like to put mayonnaise on my burritos. I know it sounds weird, but mayonnaise on everything. That's my policy and I stick to it. Trust me. Trust me. If you keep watching my channel, you'll see where I put mayonnaise on, and you'll see how epic it can really be. But this time, I'm gonna actually use sour cream. Can you see that? Is it too bright? There we go. Let me get in there. Yeah, I'm gonna put some sour cream on there, and of course my tapatio. Can't have my epic burritos or tacos without tapatio. And ginger ale, Canada Dry ginger ale, but this time with some lemonade in it. So let me go ahead and get to it. Microwave these burritos up real quick, get my grub on. Step 1, put your chicken in the microwave. I know some people have issues with using a microwave, but I've never had any trouble with it, and I don't anticipate I will. But if I do, hey, I lived a good life and I got my grub on. Microwave my chicken for about a minute and a half, and you always want to microwave your chicken first, because if you microwave your tortillas first, by the time your chicken is ready, the tortillas might have cooled and gotten hard, and you don't want that. You want them both soft, ready to go. Look at that, hot and ready, nice and steamy. Now that you got your chicken hot and ready, put your tortillas on the plate, put them in the microwave. These should only take about 30 seconds. Now that your tortillas are all hot and steamy, there we go, nice and steamy, you're gonna wanna take yourself some sour cream, mix that up nice and good. Yeah, buddy. Now lay that sour cream on that tortilla, spread it out pretty good. Don't wanna use a whole lot, but don't wanna use just a little bit either. You wanna be able to taste it, right? Get up in there. Let's see. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. There we go. Got sour cream up in there, nice and good. Don't want to waste any of that, right? There we go. Okay, set that to the side. Then you want to take your epic chicken, and it's already had that epic sauce on there. So you want to take that and, yeah, look at that. Don't you just want a spoonful of this right now? No, I do. Might have enough left over for some epic tacos. Maybe I'll have that later. Yeah, might have some left over. Set that aside. Fresh green onions, yes. Spread that nice and good. Yep. And can't forget your shreds. Add cheese to your taste, to your liking. And if you want, if your burritos have cooled a little bit, or your tortillas rather, if they have cooled a little bit while you were putting them together, you could always microwave it for another 10-20 seconds. Yeah, let's see. Don't want to leave anything out. Give me that. Give me that. And we're going to try to roll them and fold them. There we go. Yeah, I'm halfway decent at that. Oh yeah, they're still nice and soft. Good to go. Well, there we go. Look at that. That looks good. Well, oops. Sorry about bumping the camera. That looks good. Oh, wait a minute. Got to undo that. I forgot something. Tapatio. Can't have my burritos without the Tapatio. There we go. Oh, this is going to burn my mouth, but I like it that way. There we go. Refold that. Refold that. There we go. Nice. And then I'm going to finish it off with a nice fresh, oh yeah, nice fresh cup of Canada Dry. Get in there. I mean, what's a burrito without some Canada Dry ginger ale with lemonade? Yeah, buddy. Well, I'm not gonna let you guys suffer the pain of watching me eat this, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my eat on. But again, this is Ahmed with I Really Can Cook. You stay there. Really Can Cook, and this is my leftover chicken burritos.